Ayun, final question, Brian. Kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
Okay, well, I just arrived, so I haven't really gone around, but so far okay naman. I've seen some new faces, new companies, familiar faces. You, ba? Nakakaano dito. So, yeah, looking forward to more activities. I mean, I haven't actually seen the events, the speakers pala, but
Yeah.
maybe I'll take a look later.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Brian. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, Jenny.
And more power to sales.
To you too, sa Startup Podcast.
Salamat, salamat.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
Actually kahapon kasi galing kaming Cebu.
Hmm.
So this is our first day, kahit first day yung kahapon. And okay, okay na naman. Hindi ko na di-disclose yung company, but this morning we just closed a client.
Oh,
This is the
wow.
Philippine
Congrats.
Startup Week, bro.
Talaga ba?
We closed a client
Oh,
here kanina.
amazing,
They installed
amazing.
the system. They have a demo. And okay,
Oh,
that's enough. We like it. And everything.
oh.
So
Sulit na ang pagpunta ang
hindi
pag-exhibit.
pa ako nagbi-beach, one of the highlight of the day. But alam
Oo
mo
nga
yun,
pala, yeah.
but naka-close kami. So, ayun, naka-sale. So, yeah, one of the highlight and so far,
Oh,
masaya
galing.
ng Philippine Startup. First time
Galing.
ko rin.
Oo.
First time ko
Yan.
dito. Yeah, first
Yeah.
time mag-booth.
Actually, kakabalik lang naman ng physical expo ng Philippine Startup Week kasi
Oh.
nag-pandemic 'di ba? So,
Okay.
actually ngayon lang ulit yung physical na
I see.
pero grabe congrats dun, nag-exhibit ka lang, naka-sale ka na, nakabenta ka na ng
Magaling nga.
nag-work din pala yung pag-aaral mo ng sales.
Oo. Nakakatawa. Pero hindi ako yung tumapos ng sale kasi pagdating sa
Oo.
presyuhan, mahina ako eh.
Oh.
Yung mga kasama ko
Oo,
tumapos. Pero
teamwork din,
yeah,
teamwork.
the technical part of it, the demo and everything. So, yun yung nagawa natin. And saya, bro.
And salamat din sa Philippine Startup Week for having this gathering din ng mga and showcase din ng mga startups.
And salamat sa'yo.
Thank
I
you,
mean, I know meron kang ginawa na yung sa website, yung app nyo. I will really give more time to it. And thank you for showcasing us. Malaking tulong din sa amin yun, to be honest. Yeah, like, ang laki. Mahina ako sa sales and marketing. And nag-aaral ako doon. I want to improve myself. But people and platform na ginawa mo, sobrang laking tulong sa mga katulad ko. Thank you.
Salamat din,
Yeah.
grabe,
Yeah.
salamat. Thank you.
Okay.
I think. So kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
Very busy. Tuloy-tuloy. It's like eating lunch maybe actually 30 minutes ago. And it's what, 3 p.m. already? Because people just keep coming and going. Pero lots of connections to be made, lots of great and interesting people coming by.
I think very interesting yung mga pumupunta dito sa amin po. There's a lot of different sectors this time around. And I think they don't just learn from us, we also learn.
Yeah, thank you so much, Anitek. Okay, kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
It's very active. Lots of stuff happening, lots of people to meet. The networking is very great. I really enjoy it here. It's very lively and very productive atmosphere.
For me, Startup Week so far has been actually very exciting and also thrilling too, because you can see a lot of people with their diverse backgrounds. And in a way, whenever you connect with them, you can also try to build a relationship with them, not only because for the business, but also maybe because you can learn something from them. And also to help, of course, help you to become a better businessman.
Yan, thank you so much. Stay K or stay Kai. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Next question, Dave. How's Philippine Startup Week so far?
Well, it's great. I think it's always exciting to just see what is going on with startups, right? And so I'm so excited to see so many different startups presenting, so many different booths that are set up, so many people just integrating and talking. And, we have the likes of PLDT and the bigger companies here. We have Google Cloud. We have, I think, some AWS representatives. We have like key representatives that are here, really focusing on what we're doing and what we're building. So it's very exciting.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Keep up the good podcast.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And, yeah. And final pala, kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
Yeah, it's very exciting. Super nice that every year parang palaki ng palaki yung ecosystem. So many startups are getting built every now and then, which is super great. It means na parang sumisikat yung startup scene and it helps the country. basically, and I love that part.
Ayun. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Final question. Kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
It's been fun. At the same time, we've been able to meet with a lot of incredible people. As you can see, noon, maraming taong dumadaan. And it's really cool to just celebrate every week. Every week, every day. No, but every year, being able to see Philippine Startup Week. More and more startups continue to start up and really grow the Philippine scene. So it's been pretty exciting. And I can't wait talaga every year to be able to see this.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. By the way, kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
Okay naman. So we're super grateful for the help that we received from our partners and of course DOST because we're a DOST funded startup.
Hmm.
And of course Startup PH podcast. The best.
Yun. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Charlie.
And bye-bye tayo sa mga naka-live to and thank you sa mga nakikinig. Naka-live to. Naka-live.
Bye bye.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.